So, our discussion for differential equations for today is about exact DE. Okay? So, for exact DE, diba, last time we have talked about yung homogeneous equations. Okay? Lahat ng ito, mayroong paraan para ma-solve natin. In the homogeneous differential equations, what we do is separate yung dy and dx in lahat ng dy and dx. And then, i-summary natin, i-check natin if the original dy and dx or the functions of x and y, both for m and n na hiniwalay natin, is if it is unchanged, kapag tinest natin, then we will proceed with what? With substitution of v. Diba? V is equal to yx. Okay. Now, after that, we will have to substitute yung dy, that is equal to vdx, xdv plus vdx. Okay? And then, we'll perform variable separable, and when all of the variables are separated completely, we will integrate it, okay, to find the general solution. Okay? So, this one, yung exact DE, same lang din yan ng homogeneous. Only thing that you will do is, number one, kailangan si m of y, okay, yung may functions ng x and y, will be equal, kaya nga exact eh. Both of them will be equal. Okay? So, inform yan ha, n, x and y, mga nakapaloob dun kay n. That will be equal to that. And then, if you can say that if it is exact, ano ba ibig sabihin na exact? Equal. Okay? Or the same. Okay? Pagdating sa polygons, they are congruent. Okay? Now, ang gagawin mo, you'll have to get this form. So, ayan. Yung differential, okay? Of yung napapaloob lamang kay m. So, sinamari ko na yan. Maraming paliwanag dyan. But, the best way for us to understand it is to solve an equation involving exact differential equations. So, next, after mo makuha itong part na ito, you will have to integrate yung napapaloob kay m. Okay? In terms of x, so dx, that will be equal to the function nung x and y. And then, next one, yung kay function in terms naman ng differential ni y. That will be equal to n, x, and y. Okay. Now, integrate naman natin yung function na to. Okay? No, it's not n. M. It's n. Okay? N, x, y, dy with respect to y. The same lang. Okay? Ganun lang yung gagawin mo. So, best way for us to do this is to have sample problems para mas maintindihan natin siya. So, for sample number 1, okay? Let us check. Okay, hindi natin masasabi na exact siya yung equation if hindi natin ipe-perform itong sinamari natin. Okay, kailangan i-perform natin yung checking points na yan. Now, we have an example here. So, 2xy dx plus x squared minus 1 dy equal to 0. How will we check if that is equal? Okay. So, on the first part, all we have to do is kunin mo yung m, determine mo sa kanya, and then i-determine mo yung n. So let us denote na ito yung m. Ba't di nagbago ng kulay? Okay. So this is m. Ito yung n. Okay? Let us just say that first, kunin natin yung part na meron si M sa checking, tapos yung kay N. Okay? Dito muna kay M. M, X, Y, that will be equal to, yung part na ito, 2X, Y. Okay? Check mo in terms of Y, i-differentiate mo siya. Okay? Ano yung maging differential niya? M, Y. Okay? Differentiate in terms of y, matatanggal yung 2x, so you consider that as a constant. Okay? So, this will become 2x. Naging 2x siya. Okay? Now, how about yung n? X, y. Kailangan mag-i-equal siya dito, ha? So, the form is 2x. Let us check if we differentiate it in terms of x. So, kunin mo yung kay n, that will be x squared minus 1. So, ito, differential ng 1 or constant is always 0. Ito, ibababa mo, chain rule, 2x, yung x differential mo times 1. So, this will become n y is equal to 2x. So, they are exact. Kasi yung form nila is exact. Okay? So, all we have to do is get mo muna yung kay differential nung kay x. Okay? So, kunin natin yung m. So, yung kay f, tapos in terms of x, will be equal to, kinuha mo dito yung kay m. Ito yung next, ha? Next part na. Okay? So, this will become 2xy. Okay, integral mo na yung 2x. So, integral ng 2xy dx. This will be equal to x squared. Okay, matatanggal kasi yung 2 dahil chain rule naman niya. Okay? So, magiging x squared, divide by 2 yan. Tapos, nakalabas yung constant na 2. So, it will become x squared y. Okay, plus gy. Now, susundin natin tong next rule. Okay, kukunin mo naman yun sa n. Okay? In terms of y ka na naman. So, f over y. O, kukunin mo yung n. Ano ba yung n dyan? This will be equal to x squared minus 1. Okay? But, this is equal to this one. So, x squared y plus, this will now become g prime y. Yung kukunin mo yung differential ni y. So, what will happen to that? Itong gy mo, g, this one, okay, this one is simply equal to negative 1. Bakit? Bakit siya magiging negative 1? G prime y equal to x squared minus 1. Tama? Tapos, kukunin mo yung differential nito, x squared. Ngayon, ilipat mo sa kabila yan, coming from here, sa gy prime, nilipat ko nilipat ko dito. So, magiging negative. Okay? So, makancel ito. Ano ngayon yung equal ng gy prime mo? So, negative 1 na to. Okay? Saka mo ngayon, kukunin yung integral ng gy prime. So, gy, okay? Integral niyan. dy equal to integral ng negative 1 dy. Okay? Pag inintegral mo to, magiging negative y. Okay? Therefore, yung f of the functions ng x and y will be equal to, pagsasamahin mo sila, ano ba yung una naging function mo dyan? So, first function, ito. Tapos yun sa gy. Ngayon. Okay? So, this will become x squared y minus y equal to c. Ito yung magiging sagot niya. So, yung g prime y mo was the-integrated, and the answer obtained, that is substituted to the function nung nakuha natin. Sir, meron bang shortcut dito na hindi magulo yung pagpaliwanag? Ito. Since exact sila, di ba, yung function lang naman ang kinukuha natin yung f in terms of x. Since exact silang dalawa, kukunin mo rin yun sa y. Kung ano yung makukuha mo kay x, pagsasamahin mo sila. Ito, ano nakuha natin dito nung i-integrate natin? 2xy to in terms of dx. Tama? Yung isa, yung sa y, x squared minus 1. Tama? Ito yung notes ko kasi. X squared minus 1. Okay? dy. May y ka ba dito? May y ka ba dito? So, you'll treat that as parang function na constant. Okay? Dito, meron kang x. So, yun yung ma-integrate mo. What will happen to that? Yung nakuha natin is, nung in-integrate natin, it became x squared y. Okay? X squared y equal to, equal to, integrate mo ito. No, in terms of y. In terms of y. So, this will become x squared minus 1, tama, times y. Tama ba? So, what will happen to that? I-distribute ko yung y. Okay? So, x squared y minus y. Tama? So, meron tayong parehas dyan. Kukunin mo yung parehas. So, this will become x squared y minus y equal to c. Yun na yung function. Pagsamahin mo lahat ng parehas, pagsamahin mo. Okay? Yun yung magiging function niya. Yun yung ginagawa kong shortcut nung ako college. Kuwari, tatlo yung x squared y. So, lahat yun x squared y. Tapos, meron kang x. Kuwari, may x dito. Plus x. O, di sama mo yung x dito sa equation. Plus x minus y. Ganon yung formation ng inyong exact. Okay? So, another example. Okay? Yung book kasi, ang ginagawa niya, hinihimay-himay niya ng isa. Ngayon, kung isosolve mo siya, kunin mo muna yung function nung sa x, integrate mo in terms of x. Function ng y, integrate mo in terms of y. Ngayon, kung yung y mo may mga x, hindi mo kailangan mag-variable separable dito. Okay? So, another example. Equation 2. Sample number 2. Okay? So, sample number 2, let us solve 3x y minus 2 dx plus x cubed plus 2y dy equal to 0. Yung mga ganito, okay, hindi pa siya separated. Kaya ang gagawin mo is ihiwalay mo muna yung mga may terms dyan na pwede mong ihiwalay yung functions, pwede mong i-distribute yung dy, pwede mong distribute yung dx. Okay? So, identify muna natin. Then, pwede nating i-partially differentiate siya. After partially differentiating, okay, with respect to x and y, you test na yung exactness niya. Okay. Ganito muna. So, distribute ko lang to. Okay lang? So, 3x squared y minus 6x dx plus x cubed plus 2y dy. Identify muna natin yung m tsaka n. What is m and n? Okay, pwedeng ito yung gawin kong m, pwedeng gawin mo tong n. Pwede naman magbaliktad. Pwede magbaliktad yan. Okay? But be sure na alam mo yung nilagyan mo ng n at alam mo din yung nilagyan mo ng y. Okay? So, yung m ko ngayon will be, okay, balik tayo sa isang page pa tayo. Okay? So, our m will be equal to, ano equation natin? 3x squared y, pinagmula na, copy ko lang, minus 6x dx plus x cubed minus, plus 2y dy equal to 0. Yung pinagmulan natin na yan. So, m x y equal to 3x squared y minus 6x. Okay, check natin muna, partially integrating it in terms of x. Okay, lagyan mo dito para hindi ka nalilito. Integrating in terms of x. Ayan. In terms of x ba o in terms of y? In terms of y pala to. X pala yung sa n. My. In terms of y, para makancel. Integrate ko ito. Constant to. So, what will happen? This will become 3x squared. Dito, walang y. Okay? So, equal tuloy. Minus 0. Minus 0. Oh, so, this is equal to 3x squared. Ito yung sa function niyan. Now, how about n? N. X. Y. Yung kinuha kong n, this part. So, this is equal to x cubed plus 2y. Integrating in terms of x. Differentiating, rather. So, integrating, this will be 0 kasi wala naman siyang x. Yung chain rule natin, 3, baba mo yung 3, x squared. Okay? Ano yung differential ng x? That will become 1. So, 3x squared times 1. 3x plus 0, ito squared. Cancel to. So, this will become 3x squared. So, therefore, exact. No, exact na siya. Ang gagawin natin is inihiwalay muna para hindi ka nalilito. Kaya hindi siya pinagsasama tulad nung ginawa ko kanina. Ito, hindi siya pinagsasama kasi malilito ka on the process. Mas magandang pag-iwahiwalay mo muna. Okay? So, this will be in terms of x equal to 3x squared y minus 6x. O, integral natin to. Integral nung 3x squared y minus 6x in terms of dx. Okay? So, this will become, integral niya, magiging 3x cubed divided by 3, okay, y. Minus, ito, magiging 6x squared divided by 2. Tama lang? Tama lang ba? Yes, tama lang. Plus, yung mga naging differential nung kay y. Kasi nag-integrate ka, di ba? So, lalabas dyan, pag nag-integrate ka, mayroong y. Function ng y. Okay. So, cancel natin yung mga parehas. Ito. Magiging 3. Okay? So, this will become x cubed. X cubed. Matanggal na yung y? Hindi. Andyan yung y. Y minus 3x squared. 3x squared plus g of y. Okay? Next. Tapos na tayo dyan. Yung function naman nung susunod. Now, in terms of y. So, what will become of that? X cubed ba yun? X cubed to y. Okay? X cubed. X cubed. Tapos na differential mo yung plus g prime y. This is equal to x cubed plus 2y. Ano yung gy? Kapag samahin natin, x cubed plus g prime y equal to x cubed plus 2y. Cancel. Ito. So, what will become of that? G prime y. So, differential of y pala will become 2y. Okay? Sir, bakit nang ganun? Naging ganun, ano ba yung n mo dyan? Yung n mo kasi, x cubed plus 2y. Tama? So, pag nag-differential siya, ito yung lalabas. Okay. So, sir, yung g prime y dy is equal to integral ng 2y dy. Okay? So, this will become 2y squared divided by 2. Okay? 2y squared divided by 2, that is equal to y squared. Ngayon, exact differential na tayo. Ano yung lumabas dito sa isa? Ito. Tama? So, pagsasama-samahin natin sila ngayon. So, the function of x and y, yung general solution, x, y, will become, kunin mo yung dalawa. Okay? X cubed y minus 3x squared plus y squared. Huwag nyo kalimutan yung c. Yan lang exact. Ngayon, pag may parehas ulit, iisa lang kukunin mo. Wari, meron ako dito 3x squared. Wari, plus 3x squared. O, isa lang na 3x squared. Okay? Sir, meron bang mga shortcut techniques sa board exam para malaman namin sa calculator lang kung yun ba at hindi na kayo magsasolve ng pagkahaba-haba? Yes, there is. Eventually, turo ko sa inyo pag natapos natin yung whole day. Higher order linear differential equations. Yung sa calculator lang. Meron kang, sa board exam kasi 4 na choices yan eh. Actually, 5. Yung pang 5, none of the above. Sa 4 na choices, titignan mo yung general solution tsaka yung specific equation. Pagkukumparahin mo yung dalawa kung ano yung lalabas na value. Kung equal sila, ibig sabihin yun yung sagot. Okay? So, nakailan na tayo? Dalawa. So, I want to have more. So, sample number 3. Kasi mahaba-haba yung ating break. Now, sa differential equation, my most favorite part on solving is yung merong Euler's number, yung E. Logarithmic. Madali lang ang logarithmic dito. Kasi paulit-ulit lang siya. So, solve for sample number 3. So, 1 plus E raised to x, y plus x e raised to x and y dx plus x e raised to x plus 2 dy equal to 0. Pag in-integrate nyo yung e, ano lalabas? E pa rin, di ba? Yung naka-raise. Hindi nagbabago. So, check natin. Anong lalagay natin ditong m and n? So, ito yung m natin. Ito yung n natin. Okay lang? So, kunin natin yung checking natin. M, the function of m, where there are x and y's. Okay? So, 1 plus e raised to x, y, plus x, e raised to x, y. Now, i-differentiate natin siya in terms of y. What will become of that? Oh, since ito, walang variable, so 0 na yan. Okay? Matatanggal dito yung y. So, e raised to x plus. Oh, you will treat this as constant. So, x, e raised to x. Okay? Huwag nyo muna simplify kahit pwede mo siya i-simplify. How about n? Ito yung lumabas, ha? How about n? n, x, y equal to x e raised to x plus 2. Okay? Differentiate natin siya in terms of x. Okay? So, what will happen? So, this will become e raised to x. E raised to x. Okay. E raised to x. May kasunod pa yan. E raised to x, tapos meron ang x parang b du plus u dv. Tama? Nag-integral ka, di ba? b du u dv. Pwedeng gawin mo itong, tanggalin mo na to, kasi maka-cancel naman yan. Dito ka muna mag-focus. This will be u, this will be b. b du. b, asan yung b mo? E raised to x. Tapos, differential nung u, yung x, wala na yan. Okay, plus, u. Ano yung u? X. Times db. Ano ba ang db nito? Differential na, e raised to x. Times 1. So, e raised to x pa rin. Tapos, cancel na itong 2 kasi di-differential mo yung constant. 0. Akala ko, hindi nyo na natandaan eh. Yung rules ng differentiation, di ba? Product rule yan, di ba? Product rule. So, this is equal ba? Exact? Therefore, exact. Oh, exact siya. Since exact yung equation natin, let us perform na yung first part. Okay? So, ayan. In terms of x muna tayo. So, 1 plus e raised to x plus y times y plus x e raised to x y. Okay. Kukunin natin yung integral nito in terms of dx. So, integral ng 1 plus e raised to x y plus x e raised to x y dx. So, ano yung may integral niya? So, this will become x equal to x. E raised to x, y. Wala mangyayari kasi pag in-integral mo yung parang lalabas. Copy mo lang yung y. You'll treat it as a constant. Plus, matatanggal dito. X, e raised to x. So, e raised to x yan. Magiging anong mangyayari? Labas mo muna to. Y. Okay? X, E, X, dx. Okay, para kang mag-integration by parts. So, dito, gawin natin, bilugan natin. Try IBP. Ano yung IBP, sir? Integration by parts o ihaw balot plaza. So, this is integration by parts. Okay? Pag nag-integration by parts ka, baba natin dito, para hindi ka nalilito. integral of x e dx. Hindi tayo pwedeng mag-substitution dito. Integration by parts talaga to. So, x dx. Yan. Kunin mo muna natin yung parts niya. So, this will be x e raised to x minus integral of e x dx. Diba ganyan? Integration by parts. Ano kukunin mo? Yung madali o yung mahirap? Yung madali, kunin mo, yun ay integral mo. Yung mahirap, i-isolate mo muna sa una. Ilabas mo. Okay? So, this will become just like this. So, x minus e raised to x. Okay? So, sir, pagsama-samahin na natin yan. So, therefore, ang magiging sagot ng buong integral na ito will be this one. So, x plus e raised to x, y plus x e raised to x minus e raised to x, y plus g of y. So, simplifying, x e plus e raised to x, y plus, distribute natin dito, x e or xy e raised to x minus e x and then y plus g of y. May simplify ba natin? Yes, we can simplify that. Pwede nating simplify yan. Cancel na lang to. Cancel natin to. Cancel ito. Okay? Tama ba? So, x plus x e raised to x y plus g of y. Ito yung lumabas doon sa function na yan. Now, meron pang next part. Unang part pa lang yan. Ay. Unang part pa lang yon. So, doon naman tayo sa kabila. So, function, in terms of ano naman siya, y. So, next, saan tayo nagmula? Dito, sa n naman. Okay? So, x e raised to x plus g prime of y equal to x e raised to x minus plus 2. Pagsamahin ko lang muna, simplify natin. Cancel na ito. Cancel ito. So, g prime y equal to 2. Now, you get the integral of that value. So, g prime y equal to integral ng 2 dy. So, this will become 2y. Okay? Pagsama-samahin natin para makuha natin yung function x, y equal to, so ano yung lumabas dyan? Kakopy natin to. So, x plus exy. Okay? X plus xexy plus 2y plus c. Plus c. Only plus c. Oh, pwedeng, this will become c x plus xey exy plus 2y. Ito yung final answer natin. Okay? So, meron na tayong sample natin. Ordinary algebraic equation. Next is, meron tayong logarithmic or exponential. Ano pong wala tayo? Trigonometric. Okay, let us try trigonometric function. sample number okay, sample number 4. Let us try this equation. Okay. Sin y minus sin x dx plus x cosine y plus 1 dy equal to 0. Okay. When y is 0, so that is equal to 1. Okay? So, solve natin. Kunin muna natin si m. Asan si m? Yung una na lang, parati. Okay. Equal to sin y minus sin x. Kunin natin yung kanyang differential. So, in terms of y. So, dito, sin y. Ano ang differential niyan? Kabaliktaran lang niya. Cosine y. So, ito may 0 to. Okay? So, meron na tayong my. How about n? N, x, y. So, x cosine y plus 1. Okay, differential natin to in terms of x. Sa exact, laging una yung y. So, n, x. Ito, may x ba yung cosine? Wala. So, what will happen to that? My is, teka lang, nx cosine y. Okay, cosine y. Parang may mali dito. Tama. Integral ng x, 1, di ba? Yung x to, x, oh. Magiging 1 lang yan. Sir, bakit naging ganon? BDU o UDB? No need na, no need. Alam, mag-BDU, UDB pa kayo. No need na yan. So, magiging answer dyan will be cosine y. Exact ba silang dalawa? Therefore, exact. Ay, exact sila. So, first one, yung function in terms of x to equal to sin y minus sin x. Okay, integral natin yan. Integral ng sin y minus sin x dx equal to, ano kalalabasan yan? Okay. Ano kalalabasan yan? Integral ng dx, ha? So, dito yung umpisa, magkakaroon ka ng x sin y. Minus, yung sin x, ano integral niyan? Kabaliktaran lang ulit. Cosine x, and then yung integral nung nasa loob ng parenthesis. X yan, so it will be 1. So, this is cosine x plus g of y. Eh, lumabas dyan, ha? Next, yung function naman ni f in terms of y. So, ano yung sumunod dyan? Ito, x cosine y plus 1. So, this will become x cosine y plus g prime of y equal to x cosine y plus 1. So, cancel yung same. Therefore, g prime of y is equal to 1. O, yan ang integrate natin. Next, integrate natin. So, integral ng g prime of y dy equal to integral ng 1 dy. So, this will be equal to y. The function now is, therefore, x y. Okay? Equal to. So, y plus, okay? Nasaan yan? Ayan. Ito. X sin y cosine x. Positive ba yun? Oh, positive. Positive nga. Oh, kabaliktaran. Positive. Kasi may negative cosine. Negative is positive. Okay? Correct. Very good. So, x sin y plus cosine x. O, simplify. X sin y plus cosine x plus y equal to c. O, yan yung sagot. Okay? Meron pa, sir. May sinasabi dyan. If is at 0, tapos yung y mo is 1. Okay? At y 0 equal to 1. Okay? Substitute natin. Okay. So, 0 yung x, tapos sin 1 plus cosine 0 plus 1. Anong sagot? Ano yung C? Ito, ano ba yung sin 1? O, 0 to. Yung cosine 0 is 1. Di ba? So, 1. 1 plus 1. So, yung C mo is 2. O, pwede nating i-simplify. So, therefore, f nung x and y, nung function, is equal to x sin y plus cosine x plus y equal to 2. It's equal to 2. Ganun lang. Okay, just substitute the answer to that. So, test natin to. Yung huling problem is a bit complicated, medyo mahaba. Let us do this. So, the last problem, sample number 5. Okay, sample number 5. Let us make this quick. So, the sample is given as this. So, dy over dx equal to 1 over y minus 2x y to the fourth minus 4x divided by x over y squared plus 4x squared y cubed. Okay, solution dyan. Pag-iwaiwalayin mo natin, cross-multiply natin sila. Okay lang? Cross-multiply. Cross-multiply mo lang. So, this will become, in terms of dx muna tayo, 1 divided by y minus 2x y to the fourth minus 4x dx. Okay? Kung i-equal mo to, maging negative na siya. Okay, negative. Negative x divided by y squared plus 4, excuse me, 4x squared y cubed dy equal to 0. Pwede bang ang gawin ko dito, i-multiply ko na lang siya ng y squared? Okay lang ba? Lahat, multiply ko ng y squared. Okay lang ba, i-multiply ko siya ng y squared? Para makancel? Pwede rin. Pero as is, pwede siya eh. Kukunin ko tong m, kukunin ko tong n. Okay lang? So, m y. So this is equal to 1 over y minus 2x y to the fourth minus 4x. Kunin ko yung integral niya. Integral differential in terms of y. So this will become, di ba para tong y raised to negative 1? Tama? So this will become negative 1 over y squared. And then, y to the fourth, bababa yan. Ito, cancel na to eh. Minus 4 times 2, 8x. In terms of y to y cube. Times 1, kasi yung differential ng y. Okay? So, yan na yun. N. X. Y. So, this is negative x, negative x, y squared, excuse me, plus 4x squared, y cubed. Okay? Ito naman in terms of x. O, di-differentiate ko lang yung x. So, negative. Maka-cancel yung x dyan. Magiging 1. So, 1 over y squared. Okay? In terms of x, 2 times 4, 8 times the differential of x, which will be 1, plus, or magiging minus na siya, kasi positive times negative, magiging negative. Negative 8x y cube. So, exact ba? Yung dalawa? So, they are exact. Na proceed na tayo dun sa function. Dito, ang gagawin ko, unahin ko naman yung sa y. Okay? Unahin ko naman yung sa y. Y. Saan ako kuha nun? Kuhanin ko yung pangalawa kasi medyo mas maiksi siya. Okay? So, negative x y squared plus 4x squared y cubed. Tapos, kunin ko yung integral niyan. So, negative integral nung x over y squared plus 4x squared y cubed. dy. Okay? So, ano yung integral nito? Di ba para itong integral ng, pag simplify natin negative x, y raised to negative 2 plus 4x squared y cubed dy. Okay. So, what will happen to this? So, kapag in-integrate ko to, negative tapos negative 2, magiging 1. Tama? Maging 1. Divide by 1. So, x, y raised to negative 1. Kasi minus 1 eh. Minus. Positive. Okay? And then, next, next is yung y, di ba? Plus 1 yan. Divide by 4. So, plus 4 divide by 4, x squared y to the fourth. Okay? Further simplifying, plus gy to, g of, kanina, inuuna ko kanina, inuuna ko is in terms of x. Ngayon, inuna ko yung in terms of y. So, ngayon, magiging function na siya nung x. So, g of x. Okay? So, simplifying, x divided by y, plus x squared y to the fourth. Sir, positive ba yan o negative? May nakalimutan tayo dito. Negative yun nasa labas eh. Negative. So, this will become negative. Okay? Plus g of x. Ayan. So, meron na tayong for the first part. Next part naman, x na tayo sa x. So, okay. Yung f, in terms of x naman, this will be equal to 1 over y. Ito Ito siya. This one. 1 over y minus 2x raised to the fourth plus g prime of x equal to 1 over y minus 2x y to the fourth minus 4x. Okay. Cancel all same. So, ito. Cancel yan. Cancel ito. Ito. May kulang ba ako? Ayun. Kulang ako dito ng y to the fourth pala. Kaya y to the fourth. Cancel siya. So, ang lalabas na answer ay g prime of x will be equal to negative 4x. Okay. Next page. Integral ng g prime of x dx equal to integral ng negative 4x dx. Okay, integral niya. This will become negative 4x squared divided by 2 plus may plus pa ba? Plus c na yan. Huwag ko nalagay ng plus c. So, equal to negative 2x squared. Ngayon yung function, therefore, the function of will be negative 2x squared. Nahin natin yan. 2x squared, tapos yung nahuli. Ito. Ayan. So, ito yung naging answer. Okay. So, negative 2x squared. Ayan. That will be the answer. Equal to C. Okay? Sir, pwede ba i-simplify yan? Pwede naman. I-multiply mo both sides by y. Multiply both sides by y, x minus y, x squared, y to the fifth, minus 2x squared, y, equal to cy. Ganun. Pag nawala yung denominator nito. Hi? So, I hope may natutunan ngayong bago.